Hello, my name is Benjamin, and I'll be guiding you through another element within the Showcase area. So in our left-hand menu, we'll go down to Showcase, click there. In the last video, we covered Product Manager. In this one, we'll go through Catalogs. Now here we have our Catalog Manager. Now just so you understand what we're controlling, we are controlling the brands and types of vehicles as well as years lineups that are present on the new models page of our site. So the bulk of this information here. We'll jump back to your editor. Currently, you can see that there are a lot of brands enabled. And what the 7 enabled means is simply how many different types of vehicles you've chosen and how many different years lineups. Click on Arcticat as an example. E-commerce catalogs in this case will not work for you if you are on our new PSS system. These e-commerce catalogs are only for our legacy e-commerce system. What you're worried about is the Showcase catalogs. So if you wanted to get the 2024 lineup of Arcticat ATV, we can select that, scroll down, save changes. Now that that's gone through, we'll go ahead and click on the name of our business and run that publish changes. Now that that's gone through, we'll go back to our new models page of our site. We'll refresh the page. And as soon as that page refreshes, we will be able to go into Arcticat, into new models and ATV. And now we can see that there is the 2024 lineup. And there's all the different variations of the 2024 Altera. We'll jump back to your editor. We'll go ahead and close that one up. Next, we'll talk about adding on more manufacturers in here. So let's go over to available. Here I'll give you a list of all of the manufacturers that you can add on to that new models page. We'll go into filter by industry, and for today, let's work with just the power sports industry. Now we'll go ahead and add something in here that we don't currently have on the site. So for today, let's just experiment with Hysun. We'll click on Hysun, save changes, and wait for that to go through. And there we are. We'll jump back to active. You can see that we have Hysun added, but unlike the rest, it states 0 enabled. So we'll go into Hysun. We'll do the 2024 lineup of ATVs and the 2024 lineup of side-by-sides. Click on save changes. Now that that's gone through, we'll go ahead and publish, and we'll jump back over to our website. And if we go back to the basic new models page, now we can see that Hysun is here as well. Now let's say that you want to drop one of these brands, and therefore you do not want it on this page anymore. Let's say that it was Ski-Doo. We'll jump back to the editor, go to available. We'll go down and first look for Ski-Doo. There it is. We'll uncheck Ski-Doo. It turns red. Then we'll click on save changes, which, just for a side note, your save changes can be found both at the top and bottom of this first column of manufacturers. We'll hit save, and it says, are you sure you want to remove these 3 different showcases? Sure, remove catalogs. And now we'll go ahead and push that over to the site. And now we'll go back to our website, refresh the browser, and when we do, we'll be able to see that Ski-Doo will disappear, hopefully. And there it is. Awesome. Now we'll go ahead and jump back to the catalog manager. The only thing I have left to tell you is for some of our manufacturers, they will require what they call dealer numbers. Dealer numbers are nothing more than the account number that you have set up with that particular distributor. Now, you will see dealer numbers within your editor, but you will not be able to access it. So if you are looking to get a brand like Arcticat or one of the others added, and you see that the entire bar is red and it will not let you click into it to select your year's lineup types of equipment, that means that most likely it needs a dealer number to activate it before you can actually go in and start making changes. Internally, here's what the dealer numbers looks like. And you can see that we've got just placeholder numbers in here for now because this is a demonstration site. However, you would want to put between your 8 and 16 character account numbers in each one of these that require it. You can see that there's quite a few that do require the account number or dealer number in order to turn on. So the idea is you'd get in contact with your implementation specialist. You'd give them all of the account numbers for brands that you want to turn on and have displayed on that new models page. They'll put them all in, save, and publish, and then you can go back in and select the specific types and years lineups that you want to. That's about all I have for you today within the catalog manager. Until I talk to all of you again, thank you very much for your valuable time.